Here are over 15 of my inventions that you shouldn't try at home. Number 1. Spider-Man Web Gadget. DIY Rasengan. I built a Rasengan device like in the Naruto movie. It uses fast-moving light to create an energy ball on my hand. Spy glasses. These glasses help you see what's behind you with the help of a mirror. Electric hand glove. This glove produces some good amount of electricity to make you feel like a superhero. Of course you shouldn't try this. DIY hot plate. I converted my pressing iron into a fully working hot plate. Homemade inverter. This inverter uses just 2 lithium batteries to produce 220 volts Tesla coil. This device can wirelessly power fluorescent tubes just by bringing it close. Homemade electromagnet. I converted a transformer into a super strong electromagnet. World's smallest Thor hammer. This hammer has special capabilities like in the movie. The main component is just a simple capacitor. Mini Tesla coil, of course, can light up fluorescent bulbs. Electric ladder. These electric arcs keep moving up and down continuously and indefinitely. Electrostatic shoe. This amazing shoe always has sand particles hovering around the base. Makes you look like you have superpowers. Iron Man arc reactor. Apart from its beauty, it also has a section that generates gas, a wireless tester. This tester detects current without touching the bare wire. Chemical battery. I simply use some glow sticks and solar panels to generate a little amount of electricity. Water-powered clock. This clock uses no battery. It gets its energy from water. Please give a thumbs up to this video and feel free to tell us what you think in the comments.